Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and lovely people. Happy Valentine. Today is a lovely day, but it is a lonely day for me. I don't have a date, guys. I'm just chilling. I went for a dinner. I have a really bad stomach flu. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna walk through Walking Street. Hopefully I have enough battery. And I hope you guys had a fantastic Valentine's Day. Cheers, guys. Just take a look at, what is that? Walking Street. And this is a new beach club, guys. Just opened up. There's a lovely beach club. Looks nice. Probably if I had a good date, like really good, beautiful date, I would bring her here, but unfortunately I don't. So let's walk through this Walking Street on Valentine's Day. Let's see what is going on. There is a lot of club, but nothing happening, guys. And it is Friday. But all these clubs are Indian clubs. Turkish ice cream. And this is a Russian club. It is busy, but it is not that crazy, guys. I guess a lot of people left because the Walking Street is not that packed. And most of this club is pretty much empty. It is roughly 9 o'clock. Let's see what kind of pizza these people have. I'm saying Thailand is just getting out of control busy, expensive. Like I saw pizza with few toppings for $500. Indian clubs. This is all Indian clubs. You see this guy grab Indians and then push them to go inside. Hello, Sawadika. You see? All Indians. This is a new one. Fucking Russian walking and hitting you. You know, they don't look. They're fucked up. She hit me so hard, man. I guess this is another Russian club because mostly everybody is Russians. Valentine's Day. It is not that crazy, but it's just like, it's still a lot of people. But nobody going to the club. I don't see it. Even the bars, mostly empty. I guess because it's getting so pricey. Because I saw one of the bar says beer for 49 baht. So it seems to me they don't have customer. Because the price is getting nuts here. Pizza for 500 baht. Another new club called Boss. And on top says keep walking. Another Indian club. Turkish ice cream. I'm filming there. Why I'm filming the ice cream? What the hell? Fucking idiots. Did you see that, guys? They want to attack you. Jesus! Some of them out of control. These guys. I'm saying, guys, it's just some of these, even the security guys here, just out of control. It's just like unbelievable. These guys is just looking for trouble, really. Like seriously, just Thailand is just getting out of control. Really, like this time I just see that people are just getting extremely rude. Thai people, I mean. It's just like, I don't know what is happening here.
Like a bitch ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
Yeah, man, the guy pissed me off, man. The security guy was very aggressive. I didn't even film the fucking club. I was filming the ice cream. I'm saying Thailand is just getting out of control, fucked up now. You know, I remember in Turkey a few years ago, 20, 30 years ago, it was like that, a lot of tourism, and they got a schmuck. So they thought that just tourists is gonna come. So they start scamming them, you know, do all kind of wrong stuff. I believe now Thailand is going that way. Because I see the price going up, people getting extremely rude, especially here in Pattaya. They're just like mind-blowing how rude they're getting now. This is like not acceptable, seriously. Like Thailand, it wasn't like this. But I'm telling you guys, it's just not enjoyable anymore. Like coming outside, you just see the fucking aggression. Anyways, guys, I got so pissed off, man. I didn't even film the bar. I was just walking past the fucking Turkish ice cream. Anyways, guys, cheers. See you guys on the next video.